Hello everyone, back with another off-campus drive that is from Tata Consultancies. Let's see all the eligibility criteria and all further details in this particular video. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you'll get all the educational content as well as off-campus updates to your YouTube feed. So let's see straight away to the job role. The job role is software engineer. You are going to work as a software engineer, and this is from Tata Consultancies, which is TCS company. So you have multiple job openings in multiple in cities, which is from Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram. So your job locations would be like preferred from all these things, five cities. You have in Bangalore 500 positions, in Chennai you have 250 positions, in Hyderabad you have 500 positions, in Pune you have 500, Thiruvananthapuram 250. So guys, they are hiring for a bulk, so you can have a wonderful opportunity if you meet eligibility criteria that I'm going to show you right now. Please go ahead and apply for this particular thing. I'll be giving you the application form in the description box. So let's see the employment type. This is not an internship. You will be getting an full-time employment. Coming to the salary that they're providing is 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum, which is based on your performance throughout the procedure. Okay. And coming to the industry that you're going to work under is product engineering design and technology services. So this is the industry that you're going to work. So they have also given some skill sets which are very basic whenever you enter to any type of IT sector. Okay. So the IT sector skills that they need is like fluency of ideas, mathematical reasoning, near vision, like speech clarity, written skills, English language, programming, speaking, like everything which are very like active listening, system analysis, system evaluation. So these all are the basic things where most of you must have when you wanted to get a job in IT company. Okay, and coming to the next one, you need to have a basic knowledge, at least a knowledge in C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python or any other programming languages, which means like you need to have a strong programming knowledge in any particular languages. That could be C, Python, Java, or else HTML, which is a web language. So you can have any type of language knowledge. Coming to the basic qualifications that you need is you can have any type of degree which is from BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, ME, MTech, MS, BSc, BCA, BCS, BCM circuit branches like CSE, IT, ICE, EC, EEE or data science. Cyber security is also eligible. Okay, this specification is also eligible, but not for mechanical and civil. So except all these things, you can be eligible, like except all this, none other branches will be eligible, like mechanical, civil branches will not be eligible. So that's all. This is a basic thing, guys, like basic eligibility criteria. They are not even given like percentage criteria, so most probably everyone will be eligible. So please do apply. To apply, you just click on apply now. If you have an TCS Ion account, you just start logging in to your account and fill the form that they give. If you don't have an account in TCS Ion, just create one account and then start registering to the details. They'll be asking you few basic things like your name, like email ID. Make sure you're going to give your resume in PDF format and give your email ID which is very correct. Okay, and then your contact number, all the basic things that they'll ask. So that's all for this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.